Himalayan 450 rear wheel dismantling. Need these two tools, 24 ring spanner and one screwdriver for axle holding rear side. Lock. Cut. Good. The axle is removed. We need to remove this chain adjustment bracket and remove from the chain from socket. The chain is removed. Now you just simply pull back to tire and now your wheel is removed.